to get Uber Eats promo code that actually works. So to get working Uber Eats promo codes, what you can do is open your mobile app, then tap account at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now find promotion and select promotions to find active local discounts, BOGO offers and store specific deals. You can also share your personal invite code from the app menu with friends. When they complete a first time order, you receive a credit code directly to your account. You can also check the Uber Eats homepage on your mobile app before building an order, as targeted regional discounts appear dynamically there. Now to apply the codes correctly, what you can do is open the Uber Eats app on a mobile device, then tap account in the bottom navigation bar, then select wallet or promotions, and then tap add promo code. Type the code carefully with no spaces and hit add. Alternatively, enter the code directly on the final checkout screen before submitting your order. Explore official updates and offers via the Uber Eats promotion page. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.